Enva is a planet very similar to our own. Rather than coming into being via natural processes, Enva was created by intelligent beings known only as creators, through the use of long-forgotten technology. The creation of Enva and its surrounding universe stemmed from the usage of Earth as a template, although there are many differences that separate the two. One of the primary differences between Enva and Earth is the climate. The average global temperature of Enva is around 2 degrees higher than that of Earth. And rather than a glaciated South Pole, the southern continent has a far more temperate climate. Permanent glaciers exist at the North Pole, but their range is greatly reduced, with most ecosystems at far northern latitudes being boreal forests. Massive ecosystems like the Chvalti Steppe and the northern Dimaic coast span multiple continents, which is not as often seen on Earth. Enva's axial tilt is slightly higher than that of Earth. Due to this difference, one day on Enva is 23.6 hours, and one revolution of Enva around its star is 368 days. Seasons on Enva are stronger than those on Earth, especially in the northern hemisphere. El Niño and La Niña events on Enva are more dramatic than those that take place on Earth. 66% of Enva's surface is covered by oceans and fresh water. Although this makes Enva a water-dominated planet, this is a lower percentage than Earth. With 5% more land coverage on Enva than Earth, continents are larger and there are more islands on Enva, as well as more islands of a considerable size. Enva is host to 4 oceans: the Dimaic, the Runatsan, the Parsuran, and the Isahaic. 7 ocean gyres maintain the oceanic climates of the planet. Enva has several large land masses including Iatu, Saiketu, Bisel, Kimea, Runata, and Taisaria. These land masses are further divided into the continents of Saiketu, Bisel, Taihon, Kimea, Iatu, Runata, and Parsura. Each of these continents contain dynamic and diverse ecosystems. Biodiversity is much greater on Enva in the sheer amount of biotic life, but also in the diversity of nearly every ecosystem. Megafauna are common on nearly every landmass. Certain clades, like proboscideans, felids, and canids, are present on almost every continent. In its solar system, Enva rests within the Goldilocks zone, as it is the 4th planet from its star. Enva has 3 moons, albeit there is a drastic size difference between the 3 celestial bodies. The largest and most influential moon to Enva is known as Bakados. Bakados is around a quarter larger than Earth's moon. The artificial nature of Enva's creation allows for the anachronistic presence of some organisms. Although they do not dominate the majority of ecosystems, non-avian dinosaurs, lagerpetids, and other clades are present, but not in the same capacity as in Earth's prehistory. Enva's ecosystems are mostly dominated by mammals at the highest trophic level, yet this is not the case in every ecosystem. Enva's history sometimes mirrors that of Earth, but there are no one-to-one comparisons. Although Earth is Enva's template, the planet has its own unique identity. We will grow acquainted with this planet and others that make up the worlds of Enva.